There's a conversation every man over 60 should have had by now, but almost never does. Not in doctors' offices, not with friends, and yet it's simple, serious, and absolutely necessary. I'm talking about 3, or actually 5, daily habits that can dramatically improve prostate health naturally without medication. Hi, I'm Dr. Jocelyn Carter, a urologist with 5 years of experience helping men protect their prostate and maintain vitality. What I'm about to share isn't just advice, it's science, backed by studies and real-world results. If you're over 60, or if you have a father, grandfather, husband, or friend in that age group, stick around. One of these habits might surprise you, and it could change your quality of life more than you realize. Before we get into the habits, let's talk about why the prostate deserves your attention. The prostate is a small gland about the size of a walnut, sitting just below your bladder and surrounding the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of your body. Its main role? Producing part of the seminal fluid that transports sperm. Here's the tricky part. After age 50, the prostate naturally begins to grow. Even if this growth is benign, it can cause significant problems, a condition called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. According to the U.S. National Institutes of Health, over 50% of men between 51 and 60 already show signs of this enlargement. By age 70, that number climbs above 80%. And the impact isn't just medical, it's daily life. An enlarged prostate squeezes the urethra, leading to a weak urine stream, trouble starting or stopping urination, a constant feeling that your bladder isn't empty, frequent trips to the bathroom at night. Many men think this is just aging. But here's the truth, it doesn't have to be that way. Science shows there are natural habits that can prevent excessive growth, reduce symptoms, and even improve urinary function, and they're simpler than you think. I've worked with men over 60 for the past 5 years, helping them regain comfort, confidence, and control. These 5 habits aren't guesses. They're backed by rigorous research, from Harvard to the Journal of Urology. And the best part, they're all natural, accessible, and actionable. So let's dive into the 5 daily habits that protect your prostate. And I'll explain not just what to do, but why it works, both biologically and practically. Habit 1, strategic hydration. Most men think they drink enough water. But after 60, our thirst cues decline, and concentrated urine can irritate the bladder and inflame the prostate. Here's the trick. Hydrate steadily during the day and taper off in the evening. This reduces nighttime urination, eases urgency, and protects your prostate. Biologically, it flushes toxins that otherwise build up in the bladder and prostate. Emotionally, it saves you from sleep interruptions that drain your energy and dignity. Practically, it's as simple as keeping a water bottle on your desk and sipping throughout the morning and afternoon. A study in the Journal of Urology found that men over 60 who followed this approach reduced nighttime urinary symptoms by up to 41%. That's almost half your sleepless nights gone just by tweaking hydration. Habit 2, light walk after meals. Here's one most men overlook. A short walk after lunch or dinner, just 10 to 15 minutes. Why it matters: walking boosts blood flow to the pelvic region, bringing oxygen and nutrients to the prostate. It also reduces systemic inflammation, improves digestion, and helps control blood sugar, which is important because diabetes is a known risk factor for prostate problems. Emotionally, you'll feel more energized and less bloated. Practically, it's easy. Around the house, down the sidewalk, or even in the hallway. A study from the University of São Paulo showed men over 65 who walked 15 minutes after meals had a 35% lower risk of moderate to severe BPH symptoms. Small action, huge long-term payoff. Habit 3, regular sexual activity. This is the one most men skip talking about, but it's essential. Regular ejaculation is not just enjoyable, it's protective. Biologically, it helps cleanse the prostate of stagnant secretions and toxins. It also improves blood flow, relaxes surrounding muscles, lowers stress, and boosts mood, all reducing local inflammation. The Harvard School of Public Health followed 10,000 men for 20 years and found those who ejaculated 21 plus times per month had a 33% lower risk of prostate cancer. Emotionally, it protects intimacy and confidence. Practically, it's about staying engaged in your sex life and speaking openly with your doctor if you face challenges. Denial doesn't protect your prostate. Knowledge and action do, Habit 4, strategic eating. Diet isn't just about weight, it's about direct prostate protection. Certain nutrients reduce inflammation and even lower cancer risk. Key players include lycopene in cooked tomatoes, watermelon, guava, an antioxidant that calms inflammation. Zinc, pumpkin seeds, nuts, seafood, supports hormone balance and prostate structure. Sulforaphanes, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage boost detoxification and prevent cellular changes. A study in the International Journal of Cancer showed men who ate cooked tomatoes twice a week had a 28% lower risk of prostate cancer. Emotionally, good nutrition reinforces a sense of control over your health. Practically, a plateful of colorful vegetables, seeds, and lean protein becomes a daily habit that works silently, powerfully for your prostate. Habit 5, deep restorative sleep. Sleep is often ignored, but it's foundational. During deep sleep, your body produces melatonin and growth hormone, both of which reduce inflammation and protect tissues, including the prostate. Shallow or fragmented sleep impairs hormone cycles, increases stress, and leaves tissues unrepaired, making the prostate more vulnerable. A study tracking 2,400 men over 10 years found that those with poor sleep had twice the risk of aggressive prostate cancer. Emotionally, good sleep restores energy and confidence. Practically, a dark, quiet, consistent sleep environment is not a luxury. It's a preventive strategy that works every night. So here's your daily blueprint for a healthy prostate. Hydrate strategically, sip steadily during the day, limit evening fluids, walk lightly after meals. Just 10 to 15 minutes to boost circulation. Stay sexually active, maintain intimacy for prostate cleansing and flow. Eat with purpose. Include tomatoes, greens, seeds, and lean protein. Prioritize deep sleep. Protect hormones and repair tissues overnight. None of these require pills or expensive procedures. They're simple daily habits that protect your prostate, improve comfort, and give you freedom you might have thought was gone with age. I know it can feel overwhelming at first, but here's the truth. Small, consistent changes make a huge difference. You're not too old to take control of your health. Every habit you adopt reinforces dignity, confidence, and vitality. And if you ever feel uncertain, a conversation with your doctor, open, honest, without shame, can make all the difference. Remember, age is not the end of vitality. It's a chance to live smarter, protect your body, and enjoy life with freedom. Start with one habit today, maybe hydration or a short post-meal walk, and build from there. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, comment below. I'd love to know where are you watching from, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips for men over 60. Your prostate health isn't just about avoiding problems, it's about reclaiming comfort, confidence, and control. Start today and give yourself the gift of a healthier, freer tomorrow.